Oh, Lord.
Boom!
Well, we're going to try this, and we're probably going to end up blowing up something. Kira, stay back here, please. What? No! I was thinking, like, sticking it in the block.
Yeah, but this is
in the
hollow
hole.
in the middle.
In the hole.
But that ain't.
So that it holds it. Not on top of it. What's the point in
I
that?
know that, but we was thinking that would be sturdy enough.
Well, that way it can't turn it over.
Yeah, it can't turn over, and if it turns over, it's going to blow open the block, and we're good. Come here, Kira. Please back. Back. Why are you laughing?
All they can do is blow up that block if it blows it
I
up.
hope. Here, it's yours.
Have fun, babe. Back here. Like, really back.
Really?
As long as they, as long as they don't get on
My dad's
houses or
ring.
anything, it's good.
That's
It ain't under that line, is it?
Don't hurt the line.
No, I don't want to hit the line and come take me off. Oh, shit.
Oh, if it goes up, it's going to go up my hair.
Yes. A little more back. Daddy.
Oh, shit.
It didn't go up as far. I think it got caught on the holder.
I'm gonna do it again. I want to do it again.
Is Tony high?
Hey, I want to do it again.
That's all of them, baby. There ain't no more.
One of them embers come back and hit that grass.
Oh, that dry grass.
I want to do it again. I want to do it again.
Stand out here a
Well,
little bit. Make sure.
Daddy.
That was fun.
That's all of them.
Say bye.